Hello, welcome back, guys. Hope you are liking our video. So, this is just a disclaimer. Let's see what happened today in Nifty. So, guys, in Nifty, if you see, this was a crucial zone. Okay, Nifty gave an opening here. It did a good time pass. Then, as soon as the high of yesterday was breached, it gave a good move. Okay, then after that, we closed below 25,000. So if you see on daily chart, so it's a kind of doji formation here. Okay, so it can be temporary halt, or we can see a gap up tomorrow breaching the previous all-time high. So still we have not crossed the previous all-time high today. Okay, it was left by only 5 points. So it was a kind of, you can, we have to see it's a double top or not. So you can only get confirmation tomorrow. So what can happen tomorrow? Thursday being, remember Thursday is the monthly expiry. So tomorrow, if we see a minor gap up, okay, suppose if we see a gap up of flat opening in this region, Nifty will again try to push sell to this range. It will try again to breach all-time high. If it opens with gap and reach all-time high, it's very good. Then we can see 25, 150 in this series only. But somehow, if Nifty opens here and spend times here, then it will try again to move to this region 250678. Then again a full time pass in this region, which happened today also. Nifty Bank, we have expiry of Nifty Bank tomorrow. Nifty Bank tried very good today, but again, this is a big issue which is going in market. See, how big was this checkout? 146 points, a doji, a bullish candle of 160 point, a shooting star, a confirmation, then trapping all the bulls here, all the bears here. See what a one-way move of almost 200 points here. Then again, this is again huge resistance. I updated in my Telegram group also. This resistance of 51,400. It needs to cross this resistance. So once this is taken out, we can see a very good move in Bank Nifty. So what can happen tomorrow? Bring an expiry. Bank Nifty has not given a good close. So if you open a gap up here, again it will try to go to 51,400. Okay. So we have a good call writers placed at this levels also. So Bank Nifty either again like from the past 2 days, it will try to eat all the premiums in this region 51,130 to 51,400. Okay, so it's a big range, but again, see how many dojis were there today. So we can see tomorrow also if it's open gap up or flat, a time pass in this region. Okay, our bearish view will be only when we are closing below 51,120 levels. When Nifty expiry was today, when Nifty wild movement again. A shakeout. People thought to short here. It gave all shorters a bad ride. Okay, 110 points just money. Same stuff as Bank Nifty till here. See, and this was the one-way move. We have made quite a good amount in this move. We had a bullish. We have shared a bullish call in our group, and it was rewarded like anything. Okay. So, and again, after expiry, it was in this region. It spent the whole day. So tomorrow, if gap up, then it's good. We can see Nifty Financial doing very pretty good, or else a sideways day tomorrow for Nifty Financial also. Nifty Midcap. Nifty Midcap is placed very well, as told yesterday also. See, it's near all-time high level. So again, it tried. This is a crucial level. Spend whole time here and then again falling down. See, it's tried hard to break this important line as told yesterday, but not able to get any closing above 13,100. So until and unless we are not getting any closing above 13,100, okay, can't expect a big move in Nifty Midcap also. Because this was all about index analysis tomorrow. And one more thing, see, we have shared this. See our timing. We have shared this around 6,800 and see what a brilliant move of 7414. So this is pretty good. Shared in group free group, which gave almost 560 points. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. Please hit the like button. Do join us on our social media platforms. Hope you are liking our video. Thank you so much.